Are you trying to decide between Ableton and Studio One? You are not alone. Many music producers face this choice. In this video, we'll compare these two popular digital audio workstations or DAWs. Both tools help you create and record music, but they have different strengths. Let's start with Ableton. It's known for its live performance features. Many artists love it for its easy to use interface and powerful looping capabilities. You can quickly create beats and melodies. It's perfect for electronic music and live shows. Now, let's look at Studio One. This DAW is praised for its intuitive workflow. It offers a clean layout that makes mixing and editing a breeze. Studio One is great for recording live instruments and vocals. It also has strong features for arranging your tracks. So, what's the difference? Ableton shines in live settings, while Studio One excels in studio recording. If you perform live often, Ableton might be your best bet. If you focus on recording and mixing, Studio One could be the way to go. When it comes to features, both offer great tools. Ableton has unique clip launching and session view. Studio One provides advanced automation and a robust mastering suite. Both have plenty of plugins and sound libraries to explore. Now, let's talk about pricing. Both tools offer different plans. Ableton has a standard and suite version, while Studio One has a professional version. Generally, Studio One can be a bit more affordable for beginners. In the end, your choice depends on your needs. Choose Ableton if you love performing live. Go for Studio One if you want to focus on recording and mixing. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos.